different things today. We're going to Coastal Welding for pontoon things, we'll say. We got to get it on the trailer. It's not the funnest thing. It's a big boat in a little spot. But we're going to go set the trailer up underneath of it and basically just get it prepped and ready to pull out. Coast Guard inspections, all that good stuff. Put motors on it. It is pretty damn close to being done. We're gonna go help out Phil and the Coastal Welding guys and see how it goes. Oh yeah, we're under the belly of the beast right now. Just cleaning some stuff up so the trailer will fit. Oh yeah, she's a unit. It's hard to tell, but she's a big unit. Today's mission, well, it's first hour's mission. Get this thing on a trailer. Yep, go get the trailer. She's pretty long. Big old I-beam thing. I think this is technically the start of hull number 3, build number 4. Basically pontoons built from the ground up. All the cool shit. Tons of welding, holes, everything. And then we're gonna pull the big boat out, or the finished boat out. Coast Guard approve all that shit. Slide the new pontoons into the new building and start building that one. Coastal Welding, they do great work, build cool shit. The old thumb wipe. So got a coffee, me and Phil, or yeah, we got a few inches every direction. We'll see. We'll see how she goes.
got to just start going that way.
Yeah.